Every project now and then have some legacy code that highly depend on a very specific version of a package. But sometimes the newer version of these packages may hold some very important new features that we want to add in our project, but we still don't want to break our legacy code. Let's see how we can also have the latest version and the legacy code version in the same project. Let's pretend that we have a project that has a legacy code and it has a dependency on the specific version 7 of this package JSON Web Token. So if we want to see how the sign function of this JSON Web Token look like, it has a payload, a secret or private key, and some options. But we want to upgrade. And how can we upgrade if we have some functionality that depends on this specific version? We can simply do that and install the latest version but not overwrite our existing version. And we do this by writing npm e --save JSON Web Token latest at npm JSON Web Token. And after we save it and we check right now, you can see that right now our JSON Web Token has also the latest version. So we have two versions of the same package. And in the GVT latest, we can import everything as GVT latest, let's say, from our GVT Web Token latest. And if we check it and say something like GVT latest sign, we can see that we have some payload, secret or privacy option, and also a callback. So right now we have the same package but in two different versions of the same in the same project. And that was all.